Hey puppy, what are you doing? You hanging out by all the bombs? Oh, that's nice. Such a cute little doggy. He's a guard. God damn. Puppy! Clutch! Clutch, there's a puppy! There's a puppy! Oh, Frick, get out of the way. I want to see the puppy. Hey puppy, come here. Hey puppy! Fred, are you talking? I don't speak. Dog.
What do you do? Punch you? What?
Hey, stupid puppies, come here.
Hey, Toby. Huh? Oh, Toby? This is the dick.
Is your dick?
Yeah, see, he always fucks the other dog. It was even better the other day, on the other side of this.
Yeah.
The fat one couldn't make it up the hill. So, the little misfit one was like, ah!
Okay, get him on.
Yeah, trying to get him, but he couldn't make it up the hill either. They were both like running in place on the hill.
Little dick. What are you doing? You're dirty, aren't you? You roll? You roll? You're a cute puppy, aren't you? You're a cute puppy. Ooh, puppy. They're crying.